Hello, my fishy friends. I made a mistake. That's pretty common if you know me, actually. So, normally I go trout area fishing at a place that's part of the fishing association that I belong to, so I get a discount. Well, turns out they're only doing night fishing now, and last Sunday was the last day of their regular schedule. So I'm actually going fishing somewhere else. I've never been here before. Same thing, it's stocked with trout. We're gonna do some trout fishing. It's a little different, so you actually buy tickets depending on the hours. So I bought an 8-hour ticket. They have a 5-hour ticket. They have a 13-hour ticket. And you can also get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s in the afternoon that are cheaper. So we're going to try to catch some fish here today. Unlike the one I normally go to, this is kind of more tourist friendly in some ways. Oh, there's the light rail. That's new. So the one I go to, they don't rent out rods, they don't rent out lures. This one, you can rent out rods. You can buy lures. You can rent lures. So if you're just coming as a tourist or you just want to try it out, this is probably a much better place than where I normally go. Yep, just did that. GoPro, start recording. I'm just having trouble setting hooks today. Alright, I got 12 minutes left in my 8 hours. I've got 8 fish. I'm going to try to catch one more. I guess if I catch one more, I might just call it there. Alright, last cast. Let's see if we can get something. That's disappointing. Pick myself up too. Yeah, like I said, I've been struggling with upsets today. Alright, it's 3 o'clock, so I'm out of time. I'm gonna pack up. I've got 8 fish in 8 hours, so at least I got something. I'm not going home empty-handed. Alright, mostly packed up. Now for the last part. If you don't like blood, this is the part to skip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this spike and I'm going to right about, should flop a few times through the brain, and then I bleed it. Well, my daughter's bento will have fish in it this week, so she'll be happy. I caught 8 fish total. This place is actually kind of neat. So one of the interesting things about this place is that unlike the place I normally go to, it's got, you know, rods, reels, lures, all for rent. Lures are also for sale. And you can also get your fish cooked, I saw earlier, because some people had their fish cooked. It has hot water, of course, for making cup noodles, which is what I usually do for food. So I think this is a good place if maybe more for families, or if you want to try out fishing. Although I do say, I think it's a little deeper in here, and so you're going to have to cast further a lot of times. But overall, fun. Why don't you go down to the comment section, like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of this particular spot compared to where I usually go trout area fishing. And I will see you in our next adventure.
Kinagawa Fishing Area.